What'd she say?
I said, I felt your breath. We called, I called you.
Oh, okay.
So, you know, just call me.
No, I didn't.
I know you were in spirit.
They are not in the spirit.
Yeah. I still feel it.
Uh-oh.
Feel your call somebody.
Yeah, it's getting dark here now. It's like somebody turning off the lights here with one of those.
You're weird.
Huh?
I was looking at this window.
Okay. This is something else. You know what? You know, like somebody turn a dimmer switch.
Yeah.
That's what it's like. Like somebody slowly turning off the dimmer switch.
Okay, getting a little bit darker, a little bit darker.
Yes, indeed. But we just happened to be outside. But I remember this in 1968 in Rayford.
Okay. Spirit.
Yes.
You remember a number of times when you got down like this, we were riding on the road?
Yeah, 1968.
What was it was?
Yeah, we were coming from Fayetteville. And then by the time we got home, it turned totally dark. I was standing outside.
I ain't something about it. We don't work about 10 but I been talking about the hair pattern in 99 years.
Yeah.
I remember coming somewhere it got dark.
Yeah, Fayetteville.
Nowhere so dear.
Yep. Oh.
Ooh.
Hey. All right, here it is. It's here. I'm gonna call. I'll call y'all back.
You at dark tonight?
Yeah, it's dark here now. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
All right.
Wow.
We are.
You heard the car? You heard the cars? People honking. Oh, wow. There it is. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow. Okay. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay. Yeah, I hear you. It's beautiful. I'm gonna take a picture of it with my phone. All right. Yeah, I hear you, Daddy. I hear you, Daddy. All right, I'm gonna take a picture of it with my phone. All right, bye. All right, bye.
Ooh, yeah, I did a couple pictures.